This video will demonstrate how to use the Countertops tool in Solid Drafter. First, in the taskbar on the left, click on the button that says Tops. This will open up the floor plan view showing just the outlines of the base cabinets. There is an auto build feature in Solid Drafter that, in many cases, will build most of the tops correctly for the design. Clicking the Auto Build button will bring up the window for confirmation, and clicking OK will build countertops for the room. Clicking the blue Return button will exit out of the countertop tool, and perhaps the best way just to quickly check and see what's been done as far as the countertops that were created would be to go to the 3D view. Now let's talk about editing the countertops. First of all, to edit the tops on a particular wall or cabinet, the best thing to do is zoom in on that area before you begin. You can zoom by placing the pointer in the area of the screen where you would like to zoom in and roll the wheel on your mouse back towards you. This will zoom into and towards that part of the screen. Then, once again, click the Tops button. When you're back into the Countertop tool, right-click on the top you'd like to edit. Choosing Properties will let you make changes to this particular countertop in terms of elevation, splash height if there is one, or the type of material or construction, which typically would be a limited selection or preset. Right-clicking and choosing Edit Shape will let you actually edit the shape of the countertop. When you choose Edit Shape, the Shape Editor tool becomes available in the ribbon bar at the top of the workspace. These tools will let you add a point, delete a point, edit a point by dragging it with the mouse, move a line in a parallel direction, arc a line, radius a point, or change the reference point, which is a point that you can place to do a calculation on the distance between 2 points in the geometry or layout of the countertop. You can also choose the type of edge. By clicking one of these tools with your left mouse button, that activates the tool, and that tool remains active until you click something else. I'm going to begin by changing all the edges of this countertop to finished edge. Next, I'm going to select the Move Line Parallel tool and click with my left mouse button and drag the dot on the side of the countertop that would be on the back of the island. Now I can also press the Tab key on the keyboard and type in the specific offset and then hit the Enter key, and that will change the shape for me. Next, I'll choose the Radius Point tool, click on a point, and then you can enter the value for a radius. 5 looks good at this point, so I'll click OK. And that applied a 5-inch radius to that corner of the countertop geometry. Once the changes have been made, clicking the blue return arrow will give you a chance to save the new shape and return to the plan view of the layout level. Again, the 3D view is a good place to see exactly what happened with your editing of the countertops. The basic shape editor in the countertop part of the software is easy to use and will allow you to create complex countertop shapes and designs for islands and even pass-through windows in walls. You need not have a cabinet in order to create a countertop. However, the auto build function only works on base cabinets that have been placed into the design. And that's how to use the Countertops tool in Solid Drafter.